In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to click and collect in UNIQLO 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an order online and pick it up at a store that's convenient for you. First, open your web browser and head to the official UNIQLO website for your country. The layout may vary slightly by region, but the steps are the same. Once you land on the home page, take a second to make sure you're in the right country site and currency, so pricing and store availability are accurate. Look to the top right corner of the page and click the cart icon. That's where your selected items are stored. Inside the cart, review everything carefully. Double check sizes, colors, and quantities, and remove anything you don't want to purchase today. Confirm that the items are eligible for click and collect in your area. This usually appears as a note during checkout. When you're happy with your selections, click Checkout. You may be prompted to sign in or continue as a guest, depending on your region's options. On the delivery or fulfillment page, choose Click and Collect. This tells UNIQLO you want to pick up your order in person instead of having it shipped. Next, go to the Find a Store section. Here, you can type your city, province, or postal code to search for nearby pickup locations. If you prefer, you can use your current location. If you select that, your browser may ask for permission to access location services. Go ahead and allow it to get the most accurate list. Click Find Location to run the search. You'll see a list or map of nearby UNIQLO stores that support click and collect. Take a moment to review each option, looking for convenient hours, proximity, and any notes about estimated pickup time. Some stores may show faster availability than others. Select the store where you want to collect your order, then confirm by clicking Select. You'll return to checkout with your chosen store saved as the pickup point. From here, choose your preferred payment option. UNIQLO typically supports major cards and other popular payment methods, depending on your region. Ensure your billing details are correct, apply any valid promo codes, and review your order summary one last time before placing the order. After you complete payment, you'll receive an order confirmation by email or in your account. UNIQLO will notify you again when your items are ready for pickup, and when you head to the store, bring your order confirmation and a valid ID to make collection smooth and quick. That's it. Simple, fast, and convenient. Happy shopping,